Okay guys, this is a 2023 Ford Maverick Lariat trimmer package. It's got a small lift on it, tinted windows, all your window sunscreen, bug shield. It's got carbon fiber all over on the inside. It sits a little bit. Rebuilt title, damage was right in this area. All fixed, front bumper area.
The ball.
360 on the miles. Backup camera, navy, heated seats, heated steering wheel, power sliding rear glass, and then all sorts of carbon fiber. No scratch there. It's gonna beep with me since I got the key in my pocket here. It's like brand new tires. Bed cover, tow package. See, this is all kind of done in carbon fiber. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.